Welcome to White Hat Ways. In this video, we'll be learning about manual cost per click bidding. So, manual cost per click bidding is a method that lets you set your own maximum cost per click for your ads. This is different from the automated bidding strategies. Why? Because in automated bidding strategies, you are handing over Google the charge to take care of the bids. It is in the hands of Google to decide which click should be for how much, and you are giving this charge to Google. Why? Because Google has a lot of data, Google has a lot of potential to know which click might result in a conversion and which click might not result in a conversion. However, in manual cost per click bidding, you are not giving this charge in the hands of Google. All you are doing is you are maintaining the control on the bids on your own. So the entire control of bids lies in your own hands in case of manual cost per click bidding. In the automated bidding strategies, Google has the full right to raise the bids or to lower the bids according to the potential of the click. If Google realizes somewhere that this particular click might result in a conversion or might result in a sale, it might raise the bids to a higher amount. However, in manual cost per click bidding, you are maintaining a threshold that the Google is not able to cross. So you are basically putting a dead mark that you are not allowed to cross this particular limit when it comes to raising the bids. So coming to the slide, this particular bidding strategy's objective is to fully maintain control over your bids in every auction, so that you have the entire control over the bid. Google cannot raise the bids on its own. You are willing to pay what you are willing to pay, and that is the end of it. So it is as simple as that I am willing to pay this much amount and I cannot go beyond this amount at any cost. So how it works? Default bids are set at the ad group level. So we would be setting the default bids at the ad group level. However, as the structure of the account goes, at the top we have the account level, then comes the campaign level, down below we have the ad groups. So in the ad groups we have keywords. So when you set default bids at the ad group level, all the keywords down below in those particular ad groups will acquire the same default bid which you have set at the ad group level. You can go ahead and change the keyword level bids as well. So tomorrow, after the account is running, the campaign is running and it is showing the results, there might be certain keywords which are highly performing and there might be some which might not be performing. So in those circumstances, what you can do is, those who are highly performing, you can raise the bids for those kind of keywords and lower the ones which are not performing at all. So you can add ECPC at any point in time. Now what is ECPC? It is another type of bidding strategy which is a step ahead of manual cost per click bidding. So while manual cost per click bidding is a totally manual method, we would consider ECPC, which is enhanced cost per click, as a semi-automated method wherein we are giving Google some charge to raise the bids in case Google considers that this click might result in a conversion and it is worthy of getting clicked. So it might go ahead and give you that particular click. However, the amount, the maximum cost per click should not be exceedingly high in those cases also. So in the case of ECPC, it is not that we are giving the entire control in the hand of Google to raise the bids to whichever amount. It should be hovering around the amount which is what we have set at the maximum cost per click level. However, ECPC is one way through which we are utilizing the automation as well as the manual part. So we are having the control as well, and we are making an optimum use of Google's automatization at the same time. So best place to start does not have any need of conversion tracking. So manual cost per click is one of the best ways to start a campaign. Why? Because it does not require any conversion data. So you need not have any conversion data in your account and you can still go ahead with manual CPC. So while you are running the account and you are starting off with the account, you may go ahead with the manual cost per click bidding. While your account is taking off, it is on the starting phases, it does not have the conversion data, you might go ahead with this kind of bidding strategy, manual CPC. However, later on, once you have gathered the conversion data using this strategy, you may move or you may migrate to a automated bidding strategy which makes optimum use of Google's artificial intelligence. Now coming to the third part of the slide, which says default level bids. So what are default level bids? If I do not override my default level bid with a keyword level bid, then all the keywords in a specific ad group will inherit the default level bid. So it means that if I do not go to the keywords and change their bids individually, all the keywords in this particular ad group will acquire the default level bid of that particular ad group. Now let's move on to the next slide. What it says is, if you have two ad groups, one has a default bid of 20 rupees and the other is having a default bid of 70. So all the keywords which are there under the ad group which has a 20 rupees default bid would gather 20 as the default bid, and those which are under that ad group which has a default bid of 70 would acquire 70. However, as I told you, you can go ahead and change the default bids for all these particular keywords. You can change their maximum cost per click for individual keywords, seeing their performance. In case one of these keywords is performing well, you might go ahead and change its bid to a higher number so that it performs even better and it brings you even more conversions. For non-performing keywords which are not resulting in conversions, you might go ahead and lower down their bids. Now it says, however, you can change the bid individually for each and every keyword at the keyword level. So you can go ahead and change the bids at the keyword level. Google will never ever bid more than the amount that you are setting at the maximum bid. So whatever is the amount that you are setting at the maximum bid, you would not get any more amount as a click charge. So this is what it means, that Google will never be able to bid more than whatever you are setting as a maximum cost per click. So that is the ultimate threshold that you are setting, and you are saying I would not be able to bear any more amount per click. Now let's go ahead and see where do we set the maximum cost per click. So when you go to the account, just go to ad groups, and over here you will have lots many ad groups. In my case, I just have a single ad group with the name Loan Call. You may select the ad groups, clicking here. You will go to edit and you can change the bids over here. So presently the default maximum cost per click is set at 20 rupees. I might go ahead and change it to, let's say, 40, and I will click on apply. Now, since all the keywords are there in this ad group, keywords come down below the ad groups. All the keywords which are coming here should have got 40 as the default maximum cost per click. So as you can see, all the keywords have a default bid of 40 rupees which they have acquired from the ad group. However, let's suppose that there are some keywords which are highly performing and those are giving a lot of conversions. So what I can do is I can choose those keywords. I will just select them. I'm just supposing that these are the ones which are giving me the conversions. So the ones that are getting highlighted in blue are the ones which are giving me the conversions. I can choose them. I can select them by clicking on this right, and then I'll go and edit, and maybe I'll have to raise their bids because these are highly convertible. So what I can do is I can even raise them further to 50 rupees, and I'll just click on apply. and in those cases, as you can see, all these keywords have acquired 50, the ones that I chose. So every alternate keyword that I chose is acquired maximum cost per click as 50 rupees. So this is how you can change the maximum CPC at the keyword level as well. So to summarize, manual CPC is a bidding strategy wherein you actually set the maximum amount that you wish to pay per click. You might go ahead and set this as a bidding strategy in the initial stages of you setting up the account and running it. However, when the time goes by and you have a lot of data coming by, you have a lot of conversion data, it is best to migrate to any automated bidding strategy. So in the initial stages, since it does not require any conversion data and you can easily start off your campaign with this bidding strategy, you can go ahead and use it. However, later on it is best to migrate to any automated bidding strategy, because in this bidding strategy you are not making the optimum use of Google's potential. Google has a lot of potential, it has a lot of data coming over, it has a lot of power through which it knows who is going to convert and who is not going to convert, who is in the market to buy a certain product, who is not in the market, who would give a click, who would buy, who would not. Lot of data is there with Google to actually determine it, and this particular artificial intelligence is what we also need to make use of. So that is why we should go ahead with manual CPC in the initial stages. However, we should always migrate to any automated bidding strategy to utilize the Google's potential, to utilize the Google's power, as Google knows which click is gonna result in a conversion. So we will have to lend some power to Google to raise our bids and get that particular click, which is only and only possible through automated bidding strategy, which is not possible through a manual bidding strategy. However, since automated bidding strategies require a lot of conversion data, it is best to start off your campaign with manual CPC. So with this, I end up this video. Do subscribe to my channel White Hat Ways. Thanks a lot.